So in this video, I'm quickly just going to cover the Monese Refer a Friend program, where you can find your referral code, and how you can earn up to £150 just by referring your friends to Monese. So first off, obviously we're on the home dashboard here. So to find your referral code, you'll just need to click Invite at the bottom here. Then as you can see here, you can refer up to 15 friends and get paid up to £150 just by referring your friends to Monese. So as you can see here, here's my own referral code, and you're more than welcome to use it. And if you follow all the steps covered in this video, you'll get rewarded £10 for yourself. But I'll leave my own referral code in the description if you wish to use it. But back into the main part of the video. To refer your own friends is quite simple. You simply just need to give them your own unique code, and then they'll need to use it on sign up. Now obviously once they've signed up, there are a few steps they'll need to complete. So we'll click on this information tab at the top here, which will dive into all the unique steps. So first off, it's important to know that your code is limited to 15 people. So if you are to refer a friend, you'll just need to ensure that they'll sign up to Monese and complete all the steps, as unfortunately you can only refer 15. So the reward's broken down into two parts. For both you and your friend to earn the first £5, you'll need to ensure that your friend signs up to Monese, orders a physical card, and once they've got that physical card, make at least one transaction on that new card. So it is quite a simple step, and considering the reward is £5, it's certainly worth doing. Then to earn the next £5, it is a little bit more complex, as to earn the second £5, your friend will need to spend at least £500 on their new card. But when you break it down, it is quite an easy step. This will just mean that your friend will need to use Monese as a regular spending account, as after a few weeks to a month or two, your friend should have spent up to £500, and as long as it's done on Monese, both of you get that final £5 each. But overall, that is pretty much it. Again, if you want to use my own referral code, I will leave it on screen here, and I'll also leave it in the description for you to copy. If you have found this video helpful, please do leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.